Oh. He's at the last ship again.
Wait, what?
I mean, unless he's playing from his star position, but I don't think he is.
No,
No.
he's playing nerfed. Wait, what?
No, he's not.
Guys, I wasn't deafened. I beat the level. I just beat it. That's real. My auto deafen didn't work. Oh,
What was that?
it just muted me. Oh, okay. My auto deafen was backwards. My auto deafen was backwards. I heard you guys in the last part. I was so scared.
man.
I was like,
I was trying to
yo.
stay quiet because last time everyone just started.
Bro,
Oh,
went,
That
bro,
was the actual reason, but I just wanted to see what.
Ben, I was so confused because I swear the part you were playing looked like way more open than it usually is in Black Blizzard. So I thought you were just like playing.
Mess
in
with
easy
everyone.
mode.
No.
That messed with my mind.
No,
too,
dude,
because
I
it was,
actually
like,
just
nerfed.
beat it. What the dude?
Dude, that's awesome. It was right when I started
Yeah, that's
texting
Wow.
my mom. Right when I away from the
A
stream.
GG experience
Just say you're texting your mom right now.
for
She
me,
was asking,
for
literally, she's like,
you,
what or need Gatorade? And I was
for
thinking, and then I listened, and I'm
Blue,
like, wait, he's getting fucking
Oh.
far.
for True.
All right, bro.
Hello to a tomorrow of Black Blizzard.
And turn on text length.
Perfect.